So, I mean,
Yeah.
since you worked for a bit of time, now you, let's say, running the entire analytics team and stuff, right? Uh, how would you say, if you were to, if somebody was supposed to set up this analytics setup at that firm from scratch, what would you do? Like, how would, let's say, Suyash set up a analytics team from scratch? How would you go about building a team, and how would that evolve over time?
Interesting. Uh, I would like to answer this in two parts. First part would be in order to set up a data analytics team, first you really need to gauge the company where the current stage which the company is at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is the company really going in terms of 0 to 1 charter or 1 to 10 and then 10 to 1,000?
Mm-hmm.
If the company is really into 0 to 1 kind of charter, then you really need to have a strong underlying team where the mindset of the folks are in terms of, hey, first we need to get the right data pipelines up and running, and then build on top of it, and then leverage data and build the use cases and deliver on top of it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But let's take the second scenario where imagine like the data pipelines are fairly decent in terms of flowing in, and then analytics team needs to be built from scratch. Honestly, what has worked for me at least is in terms of tying back all the decisions first towards defining the business objective and strategy,
Mm-hmm.
or what exactly the company or the business function that you are working with is trying to attain in the
Mm-hmm.
short term and the long term.
Mm-hmm.
And then you start from there, and then you identify the core roles and the skill sets,
Yeah.
which I mean, there's a list in terms of like a data engineer who is there for you to just support your data pipelines.
Mm-hmm.
You need to
Mm-hmm.
bring in the data analyst, data scientist. For the reporting side of things, you need to have the right business intelligence specialist folks for you to create the dashboards, do the
Mm-hmm.
reporting, create the alerts, create the alarms. If your warehouses are in a good shape or need a maintenance of it, you need to have a data architect around that. You also need to have a data governance lead.
Mm-hmm.
A new role which is really panning out in the current ecosystem is a data PM.
Mm-hmm.
That's new budding role which is coming up where you need to have the product owner and the business stakeholders who are closely handshaking with uh, the data analytics team and trying to reduce any bottlenecks around that side of things.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Once you have identified the key roles and the skill sets, it's more about prioritizing the soft skills and communication. Because in today's landscape, like I talked about, technical expertise is just not alone enough for you to drive the business functions. The team members should be effective enough in terms of communications, capable of translating complex data insights into actionable business decisions. When hiring for a candidate who can not only handle the technical expertise workload, but also is really good at collaborating with the stakeholder, great stakeholder management, and someone really needs to be a good storytelling with the data, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the key skill that is also emerging, which is really the need of the hour in plenty of organization. But what I also strongly believe is one needs to start small and
Mm-hmm.
then scale intelligently, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rather
Mm-hmm.
than you hiring a large team upfront, start with a core, very short group of versatile, highly skilled professionals who
Mm-hmm.
can wear multiple hats.
Mm-hmm.
This core group should establish foundational practices, having a very strong documentation so that when the next set of folks are coming in, they are up to the speed, designing the right data pipelines, setting up the key matrices that needs to be tracked down, developing very early models, see the results, backtrack them, and then
Mm-hmm.
roll it out.
Mm-hmm.
As the data needs grow, the business grows, gradually you scale the team by hiring more specialized folks depending upon the situation and where exactly they fit in which role. But I think so agile hiring really ensures that you are building a team that matches the business evolving demands, rather than going a full throttle in the first go. And the last side of things is always in terms of pushing your e-team, pushing your company towards building a data-driven culture,
Mm-hmm.
for analytics team to even have the front-loading visibility. Uh, while I do believe that building a data and analytics team is crucial, but the entire organization should adopt to a data-driven mindset,
Mm-hmm.
which is really equally important.